Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, you are going to know how to answer the question, how will you work under pressure? Most of this question will be asked in your interviews and it might be a very easy question for some, but it might be a little bit of confusion for some to answer. Now in this video, you are going to know how to answer this question and also what to include and what not to include in your answers. Now these are the few steps which I have jotted down, which you should be well aware of. Number one is scheduling. Before you prioritize something or before you note down your answers, make sure you are schedule your task or your work accordingly. Number two is pick up your task. Be well aware of what you want to do and what is the most prioritized task which you have to do. So when you are answering this question to the interviewer, make sure that you are prioritizing the task first or the client's priorities in the first place rather than your work. Number three is honest work result. You can also tell the interviewer that you will be more efficient on the work result, and that is how you can prioritize and then make a commitment to the work to be done. Number four is previous experience. You can tell the interviewer about the previous experience so that you will give the interviewer a confidence that you can go through hard times and even then you can bring out a very productive result, so that the interviewer will be well aware of how well you are able to take up the situation. Number five is giving an example. Now letting the interviewer know that you can work under pressure is by giving an example of yourself. That means you can state a particular situation where you have gone through and then you have brought out very productive results. Remember that this might not be very positive enough or it can turn up into a negative also. But please make sure when you are answering this question, please be well aware of how you have gone through that situation matters and not the result more. So even if you failed at that instance, it can also turn out that you have worked under pressure and you have not given up that particular situation. That matters the most. Then the positive impact of the work. Giving a very positive impact will let the interviewer know that you can at least handle the situation in the first place rather than giving up. As I've already mentioned, it is not about how well you have done or how well the result it is, but it is how impactful the work you have gone through. Working under pressure, most of the people, what they do is they just quit from their work and then they move on to the next, which is very comfortable to them. Rather than that, they look up to the situations where they have to make up their mind in facing that particular situation. Affirming your skills. You can affirm your skills to take place. You can affirm your skills in the first place that you will be taking up that particular situation no matter how hard it is. Now this means that your skills will be able to help you out in working under pressure and working under hard situations. Now this will give an impact to the interviewer that you will be not giving up and you will use the whole of your ability and your skills together in getting a very productive work to be done. Then don't be fake. As I've already mentioned, if you have been negative or if you have been failed at some particular work, even if you had gone through that pressure but still not succeeded, don't worry. So most of the candidates out there will be faking out that they have achieved everything by working under pressure. Might not be true sometimes because that will be very fake to hear. The interviewer might know and might catch this words of negativity. So make sure that you are being very positive and being honest enough when you are presenting the situation and also how you have handled it. Remember, this is all about how you are handling the situation and not about the result in the first place. Then turn negative to positive. This is for those candidates who are being able to take up that situation well. Turning negative thing or negative situation into positive is a very tricky handling task that you should consider and take note of. Because turning a negative situation into a positive thing is something where you have to be very well balanced enough. It means that you have to know how the negative impact has made you turn into a positive and a productive work to be done. Instead of just quitting that work, you have taken up that work of pressure and made yourself to work and get that productivity out there. So even there, if you might fail, or even if the work result might be negative, you can still tell to the interviewer that I have gone through these particular hardships or this particular pressure of work or this particular deadline with so and so works that I have to handle. You can give all these examples or state these examples to the interviewer so that they will be knowing and well aware enough of how you have gone through that situation and how you have handled it. And it might not be the result in the first place, but they will know how well you are able to handle the situation. And then it is strategic thinking. You can affirm or you can be you can make the interviewer be aware enough of your thinking capability. The strategic thinking means that thinking at instance, thinking at the nick of a time where you can get productive results done in very less amount of time. So strategic thinking will help the interviewer know that your thinking capabilities are far more productive enough rather than whatever the situation might be. Well, we have come to the end of the video. If you have any doubts or if you have any questions for us to be answered, please make sure to put it down in the comment section below. We will make sure to look after your questions and answer them very soon. Like this video and share it with your friends, whoever is going to take up interview anytime soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos, placement videos from Freshers Now. Stay tuned for more videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.